Warcraft 3 legend Stravko Georgiev. I learned that. Nickname Insomnia. Stravko. It's been a pretty good weekend for you so far. I think you lost one map only.
Yeah.
Which is quite impressive, though we have to admit the tournament is not that strong.
Yeah.
But still, you wanted to go into the winner brackets final, now you're there. And as a matter of fact, you, World Cyber Games champion, 2003 legend and all of that, you're facing a youngster, 15-year-old Daniel Spenst. Do you fear him, or is it like a walk in the park for you?
It's neither of those, neither of two. I don't fear him, but it won't be a walk in the park either. He's very strong against Undead. He's proven it time after time, beating top players like Todd, and he also have won some games against me in practice. So I'm sure it won't be a walk in the park, but I have something special prepared for him that I didn't use today against 91. I just wanted to save it for him, and we'll see tomorrow.
So you say, but it's not something like miou did for Hazu Ops playing Orc. It's a strategy. It's a human strategy.
It is a strategy, yeah.
Okay, so we can look forward to have these replays on the website tomorrow.
Yep.
You're gonna play at 1 p.m.
Exactly.
So right now you're just watching some matches and some miou playing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep after miou's game. I want to get some good rest for tomorrow. Be in good condition. On the game.
After all these years, did you ever feel really tired of Warcraft and stop playing for more than 3 weeks?
Oh yeah, many times. I've actually made quite a few breaks, but it always comes back to me. It always comes back to me. I always, sooner or later, get the feeling that I need to compete again and start practicing.
Next year, StarCraft 2 is gonna come out. Will we see Insomnia switching to that game?
I'm gonna play it for sure, but I can't say if I'm gonna do it professionally. But it's gonna be a great game, probably the best strategy game ever. So yeah, of course I'm gonna play it.
Which continent of the world haven't you visited in your gaming career so far?
Africa.
That's the only one?
No, I've been to Europe, Asia and North America.
Have you ever been to Australia?
Singapore is part of Asia, right?
No, Australia.
No, I haven't been to Australia.
Okay. So, what's the next tournament coming up for you?
I don't know. There is a huge break right now. No more events for at least a month and a half, I think. Maybe. Oh, well, no, actually, ENC? No, we failed to qualify there. I don't know.
So, what are your personal plans at the moment? What are you doing back home in Sofia?
Well, I moved out some months ago. I'm renting an apartment right now, and I was planning to resume my studies in October. So maybe that would be next for me. What
are you studying?
Well, I'm changing majors right now, and I would be studying administration and management when I go back.
So your main goal is to take over SK management someday?
Maybe.
Okay. Insomnia, girlfriend? No girlfriend?
No.
No girlfriend?
No.
Listen girls, this man's still free. So if you win this title tomorrow, if you win over XlorD and then win in the overall as well, will that be just another title, or will you say it's good to win again, to have a title again?
Well, yeah, I've won a lot of tournaments and many big tournaments, but I haven't really been first for a while. So yeah, this would feel nice if I win it tomorrow.
We've had some problems in our Warcraft team recently. Do you think the Warcraft team we have at the moment is stable enough? Needs just a few more additions? Or do you think it's time for a break and a cut in the Warcraft team as it's placed right now for SK?
Yeah, I've been thinking about that. I like all the players that are in the team right now, and I think that the happenings that took place recently are for good. eventually, and I think we should get some new additions, see how it turns out, and go on from there.
Would Grubby be on your wish list?
Grubby's a nice guy. Yeah.
Okay. Savgo, I think we might catch you tomorrow again, hopefully with a title.
Hopefully.
Maybe as a teacher of little XlorD, we don't know yet. All the best, have a good night's sleep, and see you tomorrow.
Thanks, see you tomorrow.
Bye.